Cats. One of the best companions you could ever ask for, and superior to dogs in every way. Cats are serene little creatures, yet still affectionate when you need it the most. Yes, they will keep their distance a lot of the time and have little regard for you, but deep down, they care about you and want to offer you their support in any way they can. Having a cat can be expensive, though. I recently had to stop buying fast food to save up on money to get my cat a dental cleaning. Perhaps my abstinence from foods saturated with saturated fats has been beneficial for me in the long run, as I've improved my own diet and health and my cat's at the same time. Despite this, my fast from fast food has lasted about 2 months now. For not having fast food for so long, I've come to develop an appreciation for the cleanliness and standardized regulations that keep the fast food industry friendly and safe for consumers. I no longer take my meals for granted, as I know that my food has been carefully and meticulously crafted and prepared from the pasture to the slaughterhouse to the kitchen. But before even thinking about buying from a restaurant again, I wanted to make sure I was getting every penny of what's being promised to me in corporate advertising.
So that's why we're gonna go to McDonald's today and find the true volume of a McDonald's cup. Yeah!
Would it be possible if I could just get a cup, like I'm not gonna put anything in it? Yeah. How much is it cold?
Oh, cold?
Yeah.
22 ounces.
What's that in milliliters?
Oh, I have no idea.
Alright, we'll figure it out real quick.
You're asking me to do some crazy ass math.
Yeah. I mean, this is like, it's like high level calculus, you know?
Yeah, and I haven't done that since I was in high school. That was 20 years ago.
Alright, how many ounces?
So 22, yeah.
Alright, 6.5 times 10 to the second power. If there's more in here, I'm gonna come back and actually buy something.
Alright.
Yeah. Well, I'll see you in like 30 minutes.
Okay.
I don't know how much of that I actually got down.
What?
I don't know if I actually.
So what we're gonna do is I used a protractor and a roller and kind of shittily, but got the center right there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it down like that. We take one of these quadrants and graft it along that. And pretty much once we get this kind of like sideways trapezoid shape, we're gonna figure out how much of this area it covers, and then I'll explain the rest later. Alright, we got it. Okay, so here's a quadrant of our cup. Pick up the camera for this. Alright.
Your tripod is so tight.
Okay, so pretty much here's a quadrant of our cup. So if you take this and then flip it over, that's 1/2 of the cup. So this right here, this is the vertical axis, and then this is the horizontal. So this is a vertical cross section of the radius of the cup. So pretty much, as we can see here, it's 3 point what? Shit. Let's turn on the light. Alright, so this right here is it's 3.15 centimeters, and then that's a shit line, but we're gonna say that it's 14.5 centimeters. So pretty much that means that, wait, what is this? No, because this is like, I screwed up the angle.
Okay.
So then this right here is about, let's say 4.2. Okay, all right. So that means that we can, our x bounds are 0 to 14.5, and our y bounds are, I mean, that is our y bound, but that means that our slope is 4.2 minus 3.15 over 14.5, which is, ow, ow, ow. Okay, all right. 4.2 minus 3.15 divided by 14.5. We get a slope of 0.0724. We'll go to the, yeah, okay. So we have our b, which is 3.15. So that means our equation is like y equals mx plus b, which goes to f of x equals 0.0724x plus 3.15. What we want to do is we want to figure out the area that this encompasses using an integral, so we get the exact like number of centimeters in here. This is square centimeters, and then like, so this is like the same concept as finding the volume of a cylinder. We take the base, the area of the base times the height, so that's pi r squared h. So because this right here increases at a non-uniform rate, we can take this area, this will be our r and our h, and then multiply that by 2 pi. Okay, yeah, no. We got, okay, alright. So 0 to 14.5. What? Okay. X plus 3.15. We square that. Okay, alright, here. That's what we get. 1525. Okay, alright. So now we do 1971525 times pi. Okay, all right. Now we're getting somewhere. It was off. This cup is less than 650 milliliters.
What's it in ounces?
So about 21 ounces.
Are you sure the rounding just didn't fuck it up?
We rounded to the nearest thousandth. We were off by 1 ounce. We have to go back now. We have to go back. We have to go back.
We could have just filled it up with water.
We have to go back.
We could have filled it up with water and then seen how much water was in it.
No. He lied to us. Firehouse Subs lied to us. We have to go back. We have to.
Winston, this isn't necessary.
This is necessary.
You don't need to take such drastic steps.
No, we have to go back.
Winston, this isn't necessary.
No.
Winston.
They said it was 22 ounces. We got 21. We got 21 ounces. We have to go back.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
It's unnecessary.
No, shut up.
Grant's coming over here. What's up, guys?
Yeah, so I did the math. We said 22 ounces and we got 21. So Yeah, also, can I get a soda? Like, how much do I have to
It's
pay?
free. It's free because you're, I don't know, it's free. Something.
Thank
Are you doing like a project or something?
you. Yeah. Do that.
I thought you were a time traveler because when you left out of here, you like disappeared, and I was like, dude,
Yeah.
you just time traveled.
Yeah. No, you would have seen like the Trail of Fire.
So what project are you guys doing?
Calculus. You want to see your work?
Is it really like, okay, well, for the record on my order sheet, when I order those damn things, it says 22 ounce.
I graphed it out, did the integrals and all the math.
I mean, I believe you. Math never lies. But at the end of the day, like, so.
No, I just cut it terribly.
Oh, it's all good.
Yeah.
But like when we order them, it actually says 22, 32, and 44 for our cups.
Okay. I mean, there's always a margin of error in the production, so. All right. Well, thank you.
Can I get a 6-inch meatball?